Hello guys, this is my new fire alarm collection video. If you want to see more of my fire alarm collection, please let me know in the comments and in this description below. So, let's start off with my collection update. So first, we're going to start off with the Ademco bell right here. The Ademco bell. And then now this is the Wheelock speaker strobe. It's a Wheelock ET1070 W124 speaker strobe. 7002 T12. Emergency switch that I got from Lowe's. Spectral Alert Classic. Uphote BG12 pull station. Firelight BG12. Spectral Alert Advanced P2R. Wall mount horn strobe. Wheelock RSS wall mount remote strobe. So now let's get over to the functions. How this works. So you have this bell. There's actually, I can show you guys. I'm just trying to get it. I don't think I can show you, but if you saw that, there's a little hammer in there that bangs the bell. And this one, it just has a speaker in the back, and then the strobe's connected. This one, I haven't really seen it before. I haven't really seen the inside yet. I will. So just the emergency switch, speaker, and not speaker strobe, but it's like horn strobe, remote strobe, horn strobe, pull. If you're wondering where this one came from, it came from that conduit box up there. If you're wondering where this one came from that box there. If you're wondering where this one came from, I could show you where this one came from. This one came from there.